Hi everyone. This is Reshma Banu, Assistant Professor working in Dr. K.V. Subbareddy Institute of Pharmacy. Today we are going to learn about the role of artificial intelligence in solubility and stability studies in pharmacy department for different drug developments and quality, safety and effectiveness and accuracy of the drugs. So nowadays AI is a technology that allows computers of experimental data, chemical structures and formulation parameters which helps to make faster and accurate results for the scientist. And also AI can analyze chemical structures, molecular weights, polarity, functional groups to predict various aqueous solubilities and also helps in selecting suitable solvents. Predicting pH dependent solubility, choosing appropriate excipients, and improving bioavailability. And also helps in solubility studies by predicting how the drug will behave under different storage conditions. Now, AI models can analyze data from accelerated stability studies and predict long term shelf life and helps in predicting degradation pathways, identifying various affecting stabilities, and optimizing packing materials, estimating data. So, it is very beneficial of using AI in solubility and stability studies for reducing experimental workload, faster drug development, improved prediction accuracy, and cost reduction, better quantity and safer medications. And also, AI in pharmaceutics and research can develop better formulations, improve drug quality, and reduce development time. In pharmaceutical education, research, and industries, AI means helps a lot for giving AI models, and these models are used in solubility, stability, and for machine learning. Deep learning of models in pharmaceutical research helps in many ways, like artificial neural networks supporting vector machines, random forest, and deep learning models. It will help to predict the solubility and stability with high accuracy. So, AI helps a lot in pharmacy and pharmaceutics department for developing and improving the drugs and their quality controls. And also it helps in QSPR and QSAR. QSPR means quality structure property relationship, and QSAR means quality structure activity relationship. These two models will give log p values, pKa and molecular weight, hydrogen bond donors and acceptors, polar surface areas. These are some of the parameters used in solubility and stability studies. So, AI is also used to optimize pharmaceutical formulations by selecting suitable excipients and their concentrations like surfactants, co-solvents, polymers and complexing agents. So AI analyzes the accelerated stability studies mathematically and mission models for students to learn the solubility studies clearly and for predicting shelf life, expiry date, and optimal storage conditions, and for degradation pathways like hydrolysis, oxidation, photolysis, and thermal degradation. There are many tools in AI like artificial technology and PAT tools to sensor, monitor moisture, temperature, chemical changes, and product quality and better stability control during manufacturing of the drugs. So, from AI, we can easily analyze and can give good, clear, and proper identification of studies in classes or in lab, and it helps the students for their future career purposes and for getting their jobs. And nowadays AI is next future generation. So for the procedures of lab manufacturing, research, development, and the new drug inventions, the AI will gives accuracy, and it also helps the students in pharmacy for future development. Thank you.